Hello students, welcome to the channel Edifying Kids. Today we are going to learn English class 7th unit 1 1.6 a collage. Now students, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now and do share with your friends so that you will get regular notifications. Now see, this is an activity based lesson. Okay, now let's see the lesson. First we'll see a collage. What is a collage? So, a piece of art made by sticking various different materials such as photographs or pieces of paper or fabric onto a larger surface. This is called collage. Now, one more thing is that why the collage is important in student life or for children. Collage and the paper art are very important to children in this period because art helps them to develop their reasoning, creative and imaginative also problem solving skills. Doing art enhances their motor skills, hand and eye coordination and helps them to make the cognitive advances. Okay, that's why the collage work is very important. Now, student, here you can see the collage of information is given. So you can also make the collage by gathering information about great personalities. In this lesson, we can see a collage of information about Swami Vivekananda. Okay, so here his information is given, his teaching, messages from him, everything is given. This is written on different color pens, also small bits of papers, and it is arranged beautifully. Just you can see all the information, sayings, his messages, teaching, okay, information, everything is given and it is written on the small bits of paper and arranged it very beautifully. Okay. Now see students, here in this way you can also prepare beautiful collage work. Now here one corner means right hand side photograph of Swami Vivekananda you can see, and the left side his life story is given. Okay, now just read it. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. At the Parliament of World's Religions, he began his speech with Sisters and Brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic saint. Now here Swami Vivekananda, his real name was Narendra Datta. He was a great personality and who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. Okay. Now this was the first time that somebody addressed the audience as sisters and brothers. Okay, generally they would address the gathering by saying ladies and gentlemen. Okay, but here Swami Vivekananda addressed brothers and sisters. Okay, now he had a great love for India as well as he was very holy person. Okay, patriotic saint. Now next we'll see. Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. Now see children, this is the motivational or we can say inspiring quote by Swami Vivekananda. He is saying that don't stop until your work, your goal is not completed. Next is talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. Also, this is another quote. Whenever you get time, talk to yourself once in a day. You can talk before going to bed at night or any time in a day. But you should talk with yourself because you are a very excellent person. Now next is given. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Now here in this way Swami Vivekananda has given very important way, great message how to be successful. Okay, he is saying that you should think whatever your idea, your goal is, that only think about that. Okay, don't think other things. Now next is given, fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideals. Place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. Here Swami Vivekananda has given great message that always your brain should be have high thoughts, and then the highest ideas, and place them day and night before you, and out of that you will come with a great work. Now next he is saying that whatever you think, that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. Now here very good message Swami Vivekananda has given. If you think, yes, I can do it, I will try to do it. If you have that willpower, then you will be very strong. Okay, so you can do it. So always be positive. Here students, you can also, this is the about the Swami Vivekananda, you can make in this type of collage by sticking photographs together, also the sticking dried or fresh leaves, petals of flowers together. You can make the collage by stitching different colors of fabric together. You can make beautiful collage from best out of waste also. Now see students, here you can see some collage work. This is prepared with the help of craft papers. You can prepare the collage work using the pictures, inspirational quotes, dried leaves or petals of flowers. This is with the help of newspaper. It is prepared with the newspaper. Okay students, you can prepare in this way collage work. I hope this was helpful for you. Till then, take care, stay safe.